Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to create our first ever project in Proteus 9 professional software. Let's get started. This is the starting menu that will be appearing when you open the Proteus 9 professional. Now as a first step, first thing that you want to do is just click on the file right over here, file menu right over here, and click on new project, or you can also click control plus N to start the new project, or even you can just click on the icon right over here, that is the new project icon right over here, for creating your new Proteus 9 professional project. The first step is just give a name for your project right over here. I'm just going to give as project 1, and clicking on the browse button right over here will just allow you to store the corresponding project file that you are going to create inside a particular folder that is necessary. So I'm just going to create a folder right over here, that is Proteus 9 professional projects and project 1. I'm just going to store my project files right over here inside the project 1 folder inside the Proteus 9 professional projects. I'm just selecting that folder, and here in the radio button section just click on the new project radio button and then click on next. And in the next tab or the wizard, you can clearly see it is just asking you for a particular schematic template that needs to be followed for creating the schematic. You can just select like landscape A4, A3, A2, A1, A0. So this is nothing but the page size of the schematic. If you are printing the schematic that you are developing in the Proteus 9 professional software, you can just print that onto a paper for sharing that schematic with the PCB designer or with any other project teammates as you want. So for that, you can just select the size of the schematic that you want as per your wish, or you can just select the default right over here. It will not be generating anything. For now, I'm just going to let's take I'm just going to show you how it will be appearing, that is how the schematic will be looking, how the schematic will be visible when you select a particular template files right over here. So I'm just going to select landscape A4. So A4 is nothing but A4 sized schematic layout will be projected in the schematic area. So I'm just selecting that and clicking on next. And in this particular tab, just click the radio button, do not create a PCB layout. For now, I'm not going to proceed for the PCB layout, but I'm just going to build my own schematic for simulating that particular basic electronics projects. I'm just leaving that as it is, and I'm going to click on next. And in this tab, if you want to create a firmware for the project, you can just select the microcontroller required right over here, family and the controller right over here, and you can proceed. But for now, I'm not going to create anything, so I'm just going to select no firmware project and I'm going to click on next. And you can see this is saved as schematic only project without the layout and the firmware. That's it. I'm just going to click on finish. You can see this is the layout that I mentioned. This is the A4 sized layout in a landscape manner, that is A4 tilted at a 90-degree angle. So if you print this particular schematic that you built, this particular landscaped A4 size paper is sufficient for printing the schematic that you are building right over here in this particular project of the Proteus 9 professional software. This is how you can create the first project for building the schematic required in this particular Proteus 9 professional software. And in the subsequent video, that is in the next video, we will try to understand the toolbars and the basic things that is already available in this particular Proteus 9 professional software. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.